Welcome back, friends. Once again, welcome to the beautiful world of medicinal chemistry. I am going to conduct a very important article that is important because of in exam there is always a question of the antipsychotic drugs. So I am conducting an important article that is the antipsychotic drugs. So in the last lecture we have already learnt about the particular SAR synthesis of the drug and the general structures of the phenothiazine drug and the category or the modification of the drug. There is a presence of three modifications of the phenothiazine, presence of aliphatic side chain, then piperazine and piperazine structure is there. In it particular two drugs are there. So I am going to conduct an important article of the butyrophenones and today I am particularly teach you about the SAR of SAR means structural activity and relationship of the butyrophenone. So there is the presence of a structure. That structure is nothing but the X that is get attached to the aryl ring, then aliphatic side chain, then aryl ring and Y. Means what? There is a presence of X means any functional group get attached to the aryl ring. Okay. That is the aryl group get attached to the aryl ring. Okay. Then there is a presence of aliphatic side chain, then aromatic ring, and then Y. So importantly, there is a presence of X. X means what, beta? X means here is the presence of fluorine or the carbonyl group that may increase in the activity of the ring. This is the first point. Then the second one. So this is the aliphatic side chain. N is equals to 3. Suppose N is equals to 3. That 3 is nothing but the propane. Up to propane there is an increase in the activity of the ring. If you decrease in the carbon or if you increase in the carbon means if you decrease in the carbon means N is equals to 2, or if you increase in the carbon N is equals to 4, then there will be the decrease, always decrease in the effect of the ring, that is the antipsychotic effect get always decreased. If you decrease or if you increase the carbon. Then third point, beta. Third point is nothing but there is a nitrogen. That nitrogen is incorporated in the particular ring and this nitrogen get attached to the aliphatic side chain. That nitrogen is always essential for the activity. And the last point is there is a presence of Y. Y stands for any functional group that is always essential for the activity of the ring. So there is a 4 points. That 4 points are the SAR of the particular butyrophenones. Okay, this is the general structure of butyrophenone. X is the aryl group. Aryl group get attached to the aryl ring. Okay, suppose there is a presence of fluorine or the carbonyl group, increase in the optimal activity or the antipsychotic effect of the ring. And the second point is nothing but there is a presence of aliphatic side chain. That side chain, if you consider or if you let us consider that the N is equals to 3, then there will be the increase in the optimal activity. If you decrease in the carbon or if you increase in the carbon of the particular chain or aliphatic chain, then there will be the always decrease in the particular effect of the ring. And here look at that. There is a presence of nitrogen that get incorporated in the ring and get attached to the aliphatic side chain. That nitrogen is essential for the activity. And there is a presence of Y. Y is the any functional group that is get attached to that aryl ring and it is essential for the activity. Functional group means nothing but the any functional group, suppose fluorine, chlorine, bromine or any other CF3. Okay. So this is the particular SAR of butyrophenones. In it there are the two drugs are involved in it. So that two drugs are comes in contact with the butyrophenones. In the next lecture I am going to conduct a very important article and very important bits. So till then, bye.